the history and culture of chocolate orange French toast. Chocolate orange French toast, history, culture, and economics. The history. Chocolate orange French toast is a decadent twist on traditional French toast, combining the richness of chocolate with the zesty brightness of oranges. This dish blends influences from European culinary traditions, particularly French, Spanish, and Italian cuisines, with a modern gourmet brunch culture twist. The origins of French toast. French toast, or pain perdu, lost bread, dates back to ancient Rome, where cooks soaked stale bread in milk and eggs before frying. In medieval Europe, variations of French toast were common, using honey, spices, and citrus zest for extra flavor. The dish became popular in France, Spain, Torrijas, and England, later spreading to the US. Introduction of chocolate and orange. Chocolate arrived in Europe in the 16th century, introduced from the Mesoamerican civilizations, Aztecs and Mayans. Oranges were imported from Asia and became a luxury ingredient in Renaissance Europe. The combination of chocolate and orange became popular in French and Italian desserts, inspiring flavors in truffles, cakes, and pastries. The modern brunch evolution. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, French toast became a brunch staple, often incorporating gourmet ingredients like chocolate, citrus, and flavored syrups. Upscale brunch restaurants and food influencers helped popularize chocolate orange French toast as a unique and indulgent dish. The cultural significance? A luxurious European-inspired flavor. Chocolate and orange are classic flavor pairings in European desserts, e.g. French truffles, Italian panettone, British Terry's chocolate orange. This French toast variation captures the sophistication of European pastry traditions while remaining a comforting breakfast dish. Popularity in brunch holiday menus. Chocolate orange French toast is often served in brunch cafes, particularly in gourmet or high-end restaurants. The flavor combination is especially popular during the holiday season, as oranges and chocolate are associated with Christmas desserts in many cultures. The influence of modern dessert trends. As sweet breakfasts like stuffed French toast and dessert-style pancakes gain popularity, this dish evolved to include chocolate ganache, orange zest, and liqueur-infused syrups. The rise of fusion cuisine led to variations with Mexican chocolate, Grand Marnier, or candied orange peels. Aspects. The booming brunch industry. The global breakfast and brunch market is valued at over $40 billion, with French toast dishes being a high-margin menu item. Upscale brunch spots can charge $12 to $20 per plate for chocolate orange French toast, making it a profitable dish for restaurants. The cost and profitability. The base ingredients, bread, eggs, milk, are low cost, but the addition of premium chocolate, fresh oranges, and artisanal syrups increases perceived value. Restaurants often use day-old bread, reducing waste while making the dish even more profitable. The gourmet and seasonal variations. Premium versions feature dark chocolate, Grand Marnier, orange liqueur, or orange-infused mascarpone, creating luxury holiday menus. Supermarket brands and meal kits now offer pre-mixed French toast batters with chocolate and orange flavors, catering to home cooks and convenience markets. My conclusion? Chocolate orange French toast is a gourmet evolution of classic French toast, merging European dessert traditions with modern brunch culture. Its rich yet refreshing flavor profile, profitability, and versatility make it a popular choice in both restaurants and home kitchens. Recipe: a rich, citrusy, and indulgent take on classic French toast, featuring melted chocolate, zesty orange, and a hint of warmth from cinnamon and vanilla. Perfect for brunch, holidays, or a sweet breakfast treat. For the French toast: 4 slices brioche, challah or thick-cut bread, slightly stale for best texture. 2 large eggs. Cup whole milk or heavy cream. 1 tablespoon fresh orange zest. 1 teaspoon orange juice freshly squeezed. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Half teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 tablespoon sugar or honey. 2 tablespoons butter for frying. Half cup semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips or chopped chocolate. For the orange chocolate sauce, optional but recommended. Half cup dark chocolate or chocolate chips. Heavy cream. 1 tablespoon orange zest. 1 tablespoon Grand Marnier or more orange juice for alcohol-free version. Powdered sugar, orange slices or candied orange peel, whipped cream or mascarpone, maple syrup or extra chocolate drizzle. Instructions: make the French toast batter. In a large bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, orange zest, orange juice, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and sugar. Dip each slice of bread into the mixture, letting it soak for 15 to 30 seconds per side. Cook the French toast. Heat a nonstick skillet or griddle over medium heat and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook each slice for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and crisp. Sprinkle chocolate chips onto one side right before flipping so they melt slightly into the toast. Make the orange chocolate sauce optional, but amazing. In a small saucepan, heat heavy cream until warm, but not boiling. Remove from heat and stir in chocolate, orange zest, and Grand Marnier or orange juice until smooth. Stack the French toast slices and drizzle with chocolate sauce. Garnish with powdered sugar, orange slices, and whipped cream. Serve warm with a side of maple syrup or extra melted chocolate. Variations: boozy version, add Grand Marnier or cointre the batter for an adult-friendly brunch. Spread orange marmalade and chocolate ganache between slices before dipping. Healthier twist: use whole wheat bread and dark chocolate for a balanced version. Mexican-inspired, add cocoa powder and chili powder for a spiced chocolate twist. Best restaurant and store-bought options. If you prefer to order or buy ready-made, try IHOP Chocolate Orange French Toast. It's a seasonal special but worth the wait. Le Pain Quotidien Brioche French Toast with dark chocolate and citrus. Trader Joe's Brioche French Toast. Add chocolate and orange for a DIY version. Whole Foods Chocolate Chip Brioche French Toast. My final thoughts. This chocolate orange French toast is the perfect balance of rich, citrusy, and sweet flavors, making it an elevated brunch dish or a cozy holiday breakfast. Would you like a vegan version or a coffee pairing suggestion? Please comment below. Do you love learning about the history of food? Want to see more delicious deep dives into culinary culture? Then don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Void and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. If you want to help support the channel and keep these mouth-watering videos coming, consider joining my Patreon. You'll get exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and even more tasty history. Click the link in the description to become a patron today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.